Hello there, I'm Mr. Rodrigo Barrera, teacher at Science Academy for Manufacturing and TSC professor for our dual enrollment courses. Students in our program learn concepts, techniques, and programming which will prepare them to enter the world of manufacturing and engineering. Join me as we take a tour of our lab. Behind me, we will have our 3D printing lab where students not only learn the intricacies of additive manufacturing, but are able to get a hands-on experience by programming and working with our 3D printers. Here, you'll see one of our students taking out a print that he developed while changing the filament to begin a new project. Students also work on the programming aspect of additive manufacturing through model creation for different projects on campus. This student is currently working on optimizing the steering wheel for the electric car club, making adjustments to get the right fit for competition. Now for the machining segment of our manufacturing program. Our students work with a lathe and milling machine where they're able to measure and cut to the nearest thousandths of an inch, as you see here. This skill is crucial for modern-day precision manufacturing technology, as it is a cornerstone and in-demand skill that is utilized throughout various fields such as aerospace, manufacturing, and automotive. Our students are innovators and creators that will mold the future. Are you one?